This is Jo from Maths Tutor Me. Today we're doing equations and we're going to do equations that involve brackets. So to solve equations involving brackets, first of all we want to expand the brackets using the distributive law. So this is an example of how to use the distributive law. If we have something such as A at the front of some brackets, A out the front of B plus C, you multiply the A with the B, giving you AB. So multiply that with that. And then you multiply the A with the C, giving you AC. Okay, so we're going to be doing that in our equations down here today. So let's have a look at the examples. Solve each of the following, give your answer in fraction form where necessary. So question 1, 2 brackets P plus 7 is equal to 36. So first of all, let's expand the bracket. We need to multiply the 2 with the P, which gives us 2P. Then we multiply the 2 with the 7, which makes a positive 14. That is equal to 36. Now we have a two-step equation here, which is what we were learning in our previous lesson. So to find the value of P, I need to move away the 14 first. So the inverse operation is to subtract 14 from both sides, gets rid of that. So 2P is equal to 22. And then I need to get rid of this 2. That's multiplied with the P. So I need to divide by 2. And now P is by itself. 22 divided by 2 is 11. So that's our answer. P is equal to 11. Let's do that again for question 2. 5 outside of R minus 2 is equal to 42. So first of all, let's expand. 5 times R is 5R. 5 times minus 2 is minus 10. And that's equal to 42. Okay, now let's move the two numbers, the 5 and the 10. We need to move those away so that we can find out what R is equal to. So the first number we need to move is the 10. Doing the inverse operation, I will add 10 to both sides. Gets rid of that. So 5R is equal to 42 plus 10 is 52. Now, to move this 5, it's multiplied with the R. I need to divide by 5. Okay, like that. So R is equal to 52 divided by 5 doesn't go evenly. We're going to need to leave our answer in fraction form as we were asked to do up here. So you can use a calculator for this. If you type in 52 divided by 5 or over 5 like that, a lot of calculators will give you the mixed numeral, or the improper fraction, sorry. If you want the mixed numeral, we can change it. The calculator can change that for you to get 10 and 2/5. Okay, question 3. Let's expand the bracket first. 4 times T is 4T. 4 times 3 is 12. The minus 1 isn't part of the bracket, it's just sitting at the end, so we're just going to write that down. And that's all equal to 31. Now the 12 and the negative 1, they're like terms. We want to put those together. So let's leave the 4T for a minute. 12, a positive 12 minus 1 makes 11 is equal to 31. So I've just collected those up and now I have a two-step equation. So first of all, I will subtract 11 from both sides, getting 4T is equal to 20. And then to get rid of this 4, I divide by 4. T is equal to 5. Okay, question 4. First of all, let's expand some brackets. 2 times by 6V, 2 times 6 is 12V. And then 2 times minus 5 makes minus 10. All over 3 is equal to 21. There's actually 3 numbers here that we need to move away from the V. First of all, I need to move this 3 because it's impacting on these other numbers up here. So it needs to go first. This line here means divide by 3, so I have to times by 3. Okay, that gets rid of that. So I have 12v minus 10 is equal to 63. Then I'm going to move this 10, so the opposite is to add 10 to both sides, which gives me 12v is equal to 73. And finally, I can divide by the 12 to both sides to get rid of that. Okay, let's use the calculator again. So 73 over 12 is equal to 6 and 1/12. Question 5. Let's expand the brackets. 7 times by 2w is 14w. 7 times by -1 is -7. This 8 is just sitting at the end. We'll write him down here. And that's equal to 99. Collect up these like terms. 14w is going to stay there. -7 plus 8 will make a positive 1. Okay, 2 numbers to move away. Starting with the 1, we want to subtract 1 from both sides. 14w is equal to 98. Then I want to divide by 14. W is equal to, so 98 divided by 14 goes exactly 7 times. Okay, time for you to have a practice. Okay, so these questions are just like the ones I've just shown you. So you can pause the video, try these questions out, and then watch the rest of the video to see the answers, to see if you got them right. Okay, so let's have a look at question 1. Remember to leave your answers in fractional form where necessary. So we have 5 outside of x plus 3 is equal to 95. First of all, expanding the brackets. 5 times x is 5x. 5 times 3 is a positive 15, which is equal to 95. Now we want to move the 5 and the 15 away to find out what x is. So first of all, we move the 15. We subtract 15 from both sides, which gives 5x is equal to 80. Then we want to divide by 5 to both sides to cancel that off. X will be equal to 16. Question 2, 11 outside of y minus 4 is equal to -77. First of all, expanding. 11 times y is 11y. 11 times -4 is -44, is equal to